What is Pegasus spyware and how did it target Indians on WhatsApp? At least 24 Indian academics, lawyers, Dalit activists and journalists were targeted for surveillance for 2 weeks until May 2019 on WhatsApp. Israeli cybersecurity firm NSO's technology, Pegasus, sent exploit links to people to penetrate their phone's security without their knowledge. Once installed, Pegasus could extract users' private data, passwords, texts, and even voice calls. Assaulting Truth. The social network writer criticizes Zuckerberg. Aaron Sorkin, the writer of the 2010 American biographical drama film, The Social Network, about Facebook's origin, criticized the platform's co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg in an open letter, noting that Zuckerberg had called the movie a lie. Sorkin criticized Facebook's recent policy that lets politicians lie in ads. That's not defending free speech, Mark. That's assaulting truth, he said. Apple now holds $205.9 billion cash on hand. Q4 results reveal. Apple on Wednesday posted its fourth quarter earnings results, revealing that the iPhone maker now holds $205.9 billion cash on hand. This, however, signifies a 2.2% drop in its cash pile from the last quarter, where it reported a cash pile of $210.6 billion. Apple posted $64 billion revenue for the quarter ending September, marking its highest Q4 revenue ever. Google to acquire wearable device maker Fitbit for $2.10 billion. Google on Friday agreed to acquire U.S. wearable device maker Fitbit, which has 28 million active users, for $2.1 billion. Google said the purchase is an opportunity to invest even more in Wear OS as well as introduce made by Google wearable devices. The company said that Fitbit's health and wellness data will not be used for Google Ads.